How's it everybody? I'm the ICG and today I'm gonna show you how you can set up your Terra Station wallet for your mobile device. You either can import an already existing wallet or create a completely new one. I'm gonna show you how to do both things in this video, but first things first, we're gonna have to install the Terra Station wallet. And right now on desktop there is the InterChain upgrade that has just been released, so you can now access different chains than just the Luna chain from your Terra Station wallet, which is really exciting, and this feature will also come to the mobile version of the Terra Station, and this would make, in my opinion, the best interchain wallet for your mobile device. And I'm also gonna make a video where I show you how you can set up different chains on your desktop version. But now it's about the mobile version, and we're gonna go in, and now we're on the home screen, and you can see on the top right corner there's a button connect, and then we're gonna go on add wallet, and now we have 5 different options that we can see. First on the top is create a new wallet. That's what we're gonna do today. Recover a wallet is if you already have a wallet or you had a wallet and you have the seed phrase written down, the words, then you can just put them in there. Very easy, use seed phrase, and then you have the wallet. After the seed phrase there's import wallet, so if you already have a wallet you can also go on options, and then on export wallet you're gonna get a key. You just copy paste the key and your wallet is set up. Then we have a multi-sig wallet. This is a really nice option if you're like an organization or a DAO, right? And the last thing is actually access with a ledger. That's a hardcore wallet, which is a really nice option. But today we're gonna create a new wallet. So first things first, we're gonna have to name our wallet. I'm just gonna call it wallet 1. The name really doesn't matter. It's not publicly displayed or anything. And now I'm gonna have to put in my password, so let me quickly do that. Okay, so I've put in my password, and below you can see mnemonic. It's difficult to pronounce. That is actually your seed phrase, and please write the seed phrase down on a piece of paper and then hide it somewhere or put it somewhere safe. Don't put it on your phone or your laptop. You could lose it, it could get compromised. There are many ways these things can get attacked. It's not so safe as you might think on a technical device like a laptop or a phone. So put it on a piece of paper, then you're safe. Then you can always recover your funds. I'm gonna go on submit, and now I have to confirm the seed phrase that I know it. So let me quickly do that. So the words are width and subject, so let me submit. Wow, wallet generated successfully. Now we have an actual address that we can send funds to, and you can see right here we are connected to the wallet. In a different video I'm gonna show you what you can actually do if you have funds, so subscribe for that. Thank you guys for watching.